Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I color my hair. So I'm going back to this dark brown color, which is like my natural hair color. My hair used to be like kind of like a white blonde. I tried to get it to a silverish kind of color. A silver. And I think I just got it to like a light blonde, and I get bored really easily. So now that it's winter time, I wanted to go back to my dark brown color. I usually do it at home just because it's easy for me and I don't like to go out and spend money. So, well, at least spend money on my hair when I feel like I can do it at home. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the little bell button next to the subscribe button. That way you can be notified every time I upload a video. And thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. So this is the color that I'm using. It's from Revlon. It's in the number 30. It's the shade dark brown. I feel like this is the closest to my natural hair color. So right now I'm just getting all three boxes, and I'm pouring in the color and the developer, and then I'm going to use a little whisk and whisk it until it's all blended together, and then I'll start on my hair. I'm starting off by brushing my hair. I'm just going to try to get all the tangles out, and then I'm separating my hair in half to get ready for the color. And next I'm going to take this petroleum jelly, and I use this around my forehead and my ears, my neck, anywhere that the hair dye can get on my skin really easily, and this will help the hair dye from staining my skin. So now I'm going to go in with the hair dye, and I'm just brushing it on my roots, and I'm going to do this to all the front part of my hair. And I'll go ahead and speed this up because it's just the same process. I'm just trying to put it on all my roots at the top and around the front hairline, and I'm also massaging it in with my fingers as well. So I'll go ahead and speed this part up. Okay, so now that I have it on all of my roots, I'm just going to start grabbing the hair dye with my hands and massaging it into my hair. And I pretty much do this all throughout the rest of my head. I don't use the brush for the ends of my hair. I just grab some color with my hands and massage it through. And I kind of try to lather it up like you would with shampoo. So that's what I'm doing. So once I finish lathering it into my hair while it's down, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap everything up to the top of my head, and then I will just literally pour the hair dye on my hair and lather it like shampoo. And I know this isn't the right way to color your hair or whatever, but this works for me. I just don't have the patience to keep running the brush through my hair, and this is just easier for me. It doesn't take a long time, and I feel like I can get most of my hair colored. If I do need to, I'll go back and get another box, but this just works for me. It's not like the right way. It may not work for everybody, but it works for me. So I'll just go ahead and show you guys what I do. I'll speed up some clips also because it's pretty much repetitive. And yep, So that's it. See, you can see right here how I just literally grab the hair dye from the bowl and rub it all into my hair. And here I'm just grabbing a wipe just to wipe off some of the hair dye that got onto my skin. And even then, the jelly still stays kind of underneath, so no matter what, it still won't stain your skin, but I still like to clean up in the middle of the process just to make sure that nothing gets stained on my face or on my neck or my ears. So now I'm just wrapping my hair around. Now that I feel that I have massaged it all through my hair, I'm just wrapping it all around, and I'm gonna use a little clip and clip it in place, and then I'm gonna put the plastic shower cap on, and I'm leaving it in. I think I left this one, yeah, I left this in for an hour, and I'm just cleaning up again with the wipe. So I'm gonna let this sit and process for an hour, and then I'll be back to show you the end results.
We'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
This is what it turned out like. I used 3 boxes of this hair dye. I need to do one more box because I don't know if you can see, there's lighter pieces, which I guess is okay because it kind of can be pulled off as like highlights, but I want it all one color, so I don't think there's a lot on this side, just a little bit. So I'm gonna go back and get one more box, but for using 3 boxes, I got all of my hair, and my hair is pretty long, so this is what it turned out like. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the little bell button next to the subscribe button. That way you can be notified every time I upload a video. And thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.